Right now, as we look outside, a few clouds from the view looking across the Caloosahatchee. We've got some showers, even a few thunderstorms out there. If you're out on Sanibel and Captiva this morning, really rocking and rolling with quite a bit of thunder. Now, as we get you over to the radar here, we are looking at some activity sitting out towards the Lee Islands, and some of that is drifting inland. Let's get you right to it this morning, and quite a bit of lightning about 20 miles away from downtown, and now one strike here near Punta Rasa. As we dip down here towards Gulf Drive and Periwinkle, you can see the heavy rain still right on the southern part of Sanibel. Blind Pass all the way up towards Captiva, some heavy rain as well. On the northern parts of Pine Island, we've had a few showers near Boquilla and Cayo Costa. Those have diminished, and as far as Lovers Key State Park, that shower died out as well, and now we're seeing a little light drizzle towards Fort Myers Beach. Pretty good little downpour here from Manatee Park out towards Buckingham. Most of the heavy rain has stayed off of the interstate, but we're going to watch these early morning showers, and boy, I tell you what, we'll take every drop of it. We are 13 inches behind here for the year, and even later this afternoon, we have another shot. Lunchtime will be in between the early morning showers and the afternoon ones, so we'll see a good mix of sun and clouds. Then by 2-3 o'clock, we'll see more thunderstorms start to develop, and those will linger there through the evening hours. Here's the official rainfall deficit with dry conditions the last couple of days. We're 12.99 officially at Page Field, and Punta Gorda now over 8 inches behind here in the fairly early parts of September. Now, the wind is calm here this morning. Our temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. You probably noticed the humidity is up here a bit over the last couple of days. It's back in the mid to upper 70s. And later on today, we're forecasting a high temperature of 92, only one off our average of 91. But with the humidity, it'll feel more like the upper 90s. Record on this date is 96, going back to 1996. Old low pressure and cold front off to the north. We're going to continue to see our moisture increase. And what that's doing for us is giving us a chance to pick up some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and even for the start of the weekend. Now, by no means will Saturday and Sunday be a washout, but we've got the chance of a scattered shower and thunderstorm in the afternoon. In the tropics, a lot to talk about. We have a very, very powerful hurricane. This is the season's first Category 5, winds of 165 miles per hour, gusting to 200. The only good thing for the Lesser Antilles and the northern parts of the Windward Islands, this is a fairly small, compact storm. Tropical storm force winds only go out 100 miles each direction there from the center. And right now, there is nothing stopping Lee from continuing to maintain its Category 5 status. Matter of fact, low wind shear, warm water. National Hurricane Center keeps this at Category 5 all the way through the weekend. Then it's going to slow down a little bit before it starts to make a turn towards the north. Tropical storm Margot formed yesterday. This one will not be an issue. This one will safely curve out in the middle of the Atlantic, and it is forecast to become a hurricane in the early parts of next week. Let's get you back home here on the 7-day forecast, because we've got the chance of rain back, and that scattered chance of rain will stay with us all the way through the early to mid parts of next week. About a 40 to 50% chance all the way through Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back after this quick break.